Plastic Free July!
Every piece of plastic ever made is still in existence today, and this year in Taupo alone, we could send an additional 5 million plastic containers to landfill.
What can we do to help?
Let's start with understanding the issue. Take a plastic bottle for instance. Once that bottle is ready to be disposed of, there are a few options.
If we litter the bottle, it will take about 450 to 1,000 years to break down. And by break down, that doesn't mean the plastic will ever go away, but rather degrade into smaller and smaller pieces called microplastics. These microplastics are infiltrating our lakes and oceans and causing harm to its inhabitants.
If we put it in the rubbish, it'll end up in a landfill where it will remain forever.
What about if we recycle our bottle?
Every plastic displays a number 1 to 7. The smaller the number, the higher quality the plastic is, and the more desirable it is for those doing the recycling. In Taupo's case, as well as most of New Zealand, our recycling gets sent to Asia. Since our bottle is number 1, it will be sent to Asia, made into smaller bits of plastic that can be used to make other products like chairs, playground equipment, or even another bottle.
The problem with this is that a lot of plastic isn't getting recycled in the first place. Only 9% of plastic ever created has been recycled. What does get recycled can only be processed a few times before it loses its quality. So then to make new bottles, you have to go back to the start all over again.
The reason we had to stop accepting numbers 3 to 7 recyclables is because it is not valuable for the Asian buyers to recycle, because they can't make much out of it. Their demand steers what we recycle, so if they don't want it, we have to stop accepting it.
Got it. I'm ready to make a change.
The best thing to do to lessen your plastic footprint is to refuse. This is as easy as choosing to forego using a straw or not using a plastic bag. An easy way to begin refusing is by making a plastic-free kit. Pack a reusable bag with anything you might need to be able to refuse plastic when you're out and about.
In cases where you can't refuse, the next best thing is to reduce your plastic consumption. The next time you're at the supermarket, see which item you can buy without plastic. Many items can be brought in glass or aluminium, which are a more sustainable option because they can be recycled infinitely.
The last resort should be to recycle. Because of the change to numbers 3 to 7 recycling, plastic is piling up in our landfill. Therefore, have a look at the plastics you're buying and try to stick to numbers 1s and 2s.
If many people make small changes, we can make a huge impact.
For more information on how to reduce your plastic footprint, visit www.plasticfreejuly.org.